Beginner nail tech's guide to acrylic application. So first off, start by sanitising your hands. Then you're going to push back the client's cuticles. Once you've done that, you're going to go around. I'm using the tiny cuticle bit here from Katie Barnes in reverse, just to really push back that cuticle and make sure that the nail plate's clean. Then I'll go in with a rounder bit, and that's just to clean the skin around the outside, just to get rid of any kind of hangnails. Now at this point, if there's anything white that's lifted, that's what you're going to nip off. You're not cutting skin, you're only cutting non-living tissue. Here, then you'll go in with either a sanding band or a hand file, and you're going to just take off the shine of those nails. This does look quite fast, but it's actually sped up, so I'm literally only using it on 1 or 2 RPM. Then you're going to apply your tips. Now the biggest tip that I can offer for applying tips is to make sure it matches sidewall to sidewall. You don't want to be pressing that down and forcing the tip down. Then you're going to trim it and you're going to file it to shape. If you are enjoying this, please do drop us a like and a follow, as we're dropping new content for nail techs all the time. Next, I dehydrate, and then I go in with the protein bond from Young Nails. It's absolutely amazing. Then I'm going in with a clear base layer. This just gives me something to actually file back to when I do a redesign. However, it is a core powder, so you don't always need to do that with core powders. Then I'm going in using a 3-bead method. If you look back on my page, there is a tutorial for this. Now, I forgot to put in the filing, but if you do want a tutorial on that, let me know. The biggest tip I can show you is in a minute. If you just turn the client's hand around, it'll really help you get those straight edges. I hope this helps. Any questions, let me know in the comments.